Hi guys, as GTR Heritage Centre and me and Rob are back with more R35 GTR maintenance, and I can't forget that we've got Mr. Wally there with his cuppa as always. Is that a Pikachu cup?
Of course.
Oh my god. Anyway, we're going to crack on with the R35 GTR maintenance. So, Rob, do you want to talk us through what we've actually found on this GTR?
Yeah, so this car's come in for a differential repair, a new seal and a couple of last small repairs. Upon removing the bumper and the arch line, these are the oil lines that feed the oil cooler. Vital part of the car. If these fail, basically the engine fails. You can see what sort of condition these are in. Absolutely dire. I have seen ones in worse condition actually leaking. So it's imperative
it's amazing that these aren't actually leaking, because that's the main thing. They're not leaking, but the corrosion on this pipe here is probably, it's going to be imminent, isn't it?
Like, I was scared to touch them before we got the go ahead.
Exactly.
Where them actually feel soft. So what we've got over here from our friends at Goodrich is a set of braided hoses.
Yep.
With aluminium swaged ends, so this is like a lifetime fix.
Yeah, so this is the Goodrich kit.
Yeah. Genuine gasket kit.
Genuine gaskets, yeah.
The bolts are prone for snapping in the oil cooler, so it's imperative that you buy them if you're going to do the kit.
Absolutely.
So let's fit the kit.
Yeah, and like this is it's a single kit, this, as opposed to being, if you have a look here guys, it's actually two. So you've got that line there, and then it joins there, and then it goes under there. This is a full kit, so this is a singular kit, so that just goes from there all the way down and back into there. This from Nissan is absolutely ridiculous, isn't it? I think the price from Nissan for that pipe, that pipe, that pipe, and that pipe was around about the £1,800 mark with VAT, and this kit here, which we do have on the shelf, I think that's around about the £800 mark with the VAT.
Yeah.
It's less than half, folks. So I mean, it's an upgraded kit as well. That braided line there has Kevlar in it as well. So it's a really good kit. Much more reliable than the old sort of Nissan kit. As you can see there, the corrosion on that is just absolutely horrendous.
Fit and forget.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, fit and forget. And with cars of this age, you know, it should be something that should be getting checked. I mean, with the Heritage Centre check and report that we do with every car that comes in, we do check these little things here and report that back to the customer. So if you haven't had a health check recently, book us in for a health check and we will get on it. And you'll probably see some more video coming up soon of Rob removing this and fitting the new oil cooler pipes. Guys, finished now. So this is these are literally like factory, really epic bit of kit. As you can see there's no join there like the other one would have a join there. It is literally all one piece aluminium, braided lines in there. And Rob, you said it took you about...
Yeah, it's about an hour. We've changed all the bolts for stainless bolts as well, so you're never going to have a problem again with like snap bolts, because they are prone for snapping on the front.
Brilliant.
They just open the elements.
Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, guys, if you haven't had a health check on your GTR and you want to get booked in, just give us a ring 01429 838885 and we'll get you booked in. Definitely something to think about for all 35 customers, especially the customers who own early DBAs and CBA model GTRs. So yeah, if you want to see more amazing content, we've got so much more coming up on the channel. We have got more R35 maintenance coming up on the channel as well. So please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you later, folks. Cheers now. Bye.